If you receive a new or a replacement headset, you may have to pair it to your transmitter if you have the long-range system. Keep in mind though, if you order the system as a whole, the headsets it comes with will already be paired. To pair them, first we need to make sure the headset is off. We can do that by looking at the volume knob on the headset. It clicks when turning on and off. Make sure it's clicked in the off position. After that, we're going to look at the back of the transmitter. In this white section here, there's a button that says Add. We're going to hold down that button, but I'm going to show you the front of the transmitter as I do so you can see what happens. As I hold it down, a blue light on the front will start blinking. Once that blinks, immediately turn on the headset. Wait until the light stops blinking, and as soon as it does, the pairing should be complete. And you can just turn off the headset and put it back in the transmitter and charge it for at least 4 to 5 hours before use.